Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It's WOGKTCRSCuber here today, and today we're going to be unboxing a non-WCA puzzle. So I know today was scheduled for the 109th episode of my 3x3 unboxing series. I know you're all very disappointed that that didn't come out today, but it'll come out tomorrow. And today is this. I just decided, let's mix things up a bit, be a bit unique. So just a quick disclaimer before we start this video, I don't really do non-WCA puzzles at all. I have like one in my entire collection, which is this one. And, I just find them a bit boring, a bit repetitive. I would rather solve like a 3x3 over and over again. I find that more interesting. I find them more of a challenge. But, that doesn't matter. We're super pumped for this video, super excited. And we're going to make this happen. We're going to unbox it right now, right this second. It's going to happen right now. Are you ready? I'm going to do it. Okay, so I think it's time that we get into this. Okay. So, one thing I forgot to mention about this cube is it's £2, which, whoa, calm down there. Not everyone's made of money. So this is going to have to be really good for me to, recommend this. And let's just get into the turning. Oh no. Oh no. That's so bad. That is awful. That is actually the worst turning of any cube I've ever had. Okay, right, so, this is the GAN XS, yeah? And the turning's, nice and smooth, it's really good. And, this is just bad. It's just not good. Between this and this, there's no competition. This is just better. So yeah, this is bad. Okay, I think we should just give this a scramble then. What the hell? What is that? Did I just break it? Am I breaking it? Is this allowed? Is this thing you're able to do? What? How does that even work? I don't understand. Is this allowed? Is this how it's meant to be? Wait, I need to go research this. Okay guys, so I just looked it up, and apparently this is a move that you can do. It's supposed to be this way. Man, this cube's got 10 times better. So guys, I think it's time we give this proper scramble. Looking at the solve, it shouldn't be too hard, although I might have to use some advanced techniques, which you guys won't know because you're not advanced, but I am advanced, and I know the advanced techniques. So, I did some solving off camera, and I also think I've made a new algorithm. This is a breakthrough. So, what it does is it swaps this around, and it goes yeah, I think this is a breakthrough. No one else has ever done this before on any cube. So, trademark, copyright, me, yeah? Can you guys make that happen? Because I made that algorithm. Okay, so now it's time for the conclusion. So, I think you should get this cube if you like the look of it. Have a look, yeah? Okay, and if you don't like the look of it, you shouldn't get it. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, turn the bell on, and leave a comment. I read all the comments. Okay, bye.